Okay guys, for today's video I have ginger and onion. Then lagay tayo ng sili. At saka garlic. Okay. And then I have 1 cup of vinegar. Luto natin ng 15 minutes ito. Pakuluin natin. Boil it for 15 minutes. And wait. Lagyan natin ng asin. Kunti. And then guys, lagyan natin ng peppercorn. Black peppercorn. Pamintang buo. So I forgot to put this. Lagyan natin ng marami. Okay. There you go guys. So next it's bok choy. Lagay natin ng bok choy sa side. And then wait for 1 minute, okay? Para lumambot yung pet sa bok choy natin. Sorry. There you go guys. Cover it and wait for 1 minute. Okay guys, lagyan na natin ng coconut milk. I'm putting 2 cans of coconut milk, okay? And then let it boil and leave it like this. Do not mix it. Okay, just wait for 5 minutes. Okay guys, my tilapia it's done with coconut milk. Let me try yung sabaw. Sarap. Tapos, kain na po. Let's eat. Yummy. Thanks for watching guys. God bless. Bye-bye. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, my Facebook. Bye-bye. Take care. Let me put a little bit of sugar, okay? This is 2 tablespoons of sugar. Para may konting tamis.